registered dietitian and personal trainer behind the blog Hungry Hubby and this channel. And I'm here today to show you how to make my homemade protein bars. These protein bars are just 5 ingredients, super easy to make, super quick, perfect for meal prep, and no more buying protein bars at the store with a billion chemicals in them. So before we get started, if you're ready to make this recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and the bell notifications. I post new, delicious, healthy recipes with real food every week, and even more on the blog, and workouts and nutrition tips and all kinds of stuff. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure that you hit that button now, and then we can get started. Y'all, I make this recipe for Mr. Hungry, as known to my blog readers, almost every single week. He loves it, and he's always hated protein bars, okay? And I'm always struggling to get him to have enough protein. I mean, the dude is 6'2". And super active. Pre-quarantine, played basketball all the time, but now we work out in our house all the time. Very active, lifts and basketball, and tall to start with, and just does not get enough protein in. I cannot get him to get enough protein in. Same thing with a lot of my clients, just cannot get enough protein in. And so today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy recipe, so that if you struggle with getting enough protein in, or you want a super easy, even healthy breakfast, this one is for you. So stick around, let's do it. To make this recipe, you need your food processor, you need bananas, cocoa powder, chocolate protein powder. This will work with whey or vegan protein. The ones that I have tried specifically, because different protein powders have different ingredients. Some have more thickeners than others, and that can change how this recipe comes out. So listen up, the 2 that I've tried is the Sprouts brand chocolate whey protein. The Sprouts brand chocolate vegan protein was fine. And I've also tried the Amazon brand whey protein, like the Amazon grass-fed essentials brand, and I'll link all those below. So those are the ones that I've tried, and they're also linked in the blog post where this recipe lives. That's where you can print this recipe. But yeah, you need all those things, and you need peanut butter. You can use crunchy, you can use unsalted, non-salted, creamy, you can use whatever you want. And to be honest, you could also use almond butter, you can use whatever you want. It's a really simple and customizable recipe. So Mr. Hungry most often likes for me to use salted, crunchy peanut butter in this recipe, so that's what I typically use. But I think in the video you're about to see with the overhead, when I filmed this, I did salted, creamy peanut butter most likely. All right, so you blend all that up until you have a nice chocolatey mess, and then you're gonna fold in your chocolate chips. You wanna be super healthy? Use 60% or greater dark chocolate chips. You don't care, or you're just trying to move on with your life, or you don't like dark chocolate, then use semi-sweet. Milk chocolate's probably gonna be a little sweet for this recipe, but hey, you do you, I'm not judging. So yeah, so you're gonna fold those in, and then that's it. Like, you just pour it into a parchment lined 8x8 baking dish and bake it for 30 or so minutes. Bring it out, let it cool completely. Do not let it sit there in the fridge or on the counter overnight without covering it, because it will dry out. And but then you can cut it into however many squares you want. I usually do 9 squares, and it's perfect and delicious, and it's freezer friendly. You can freeze them. I mean, there's really nothing you can't do with them, and they've got 20 grams of protein in them, and they're perfect. So let me know if you try this recipe, leave a comment. And also, you can tag me on Instagram at @HungryHubbyRD. I love to see what you guys make on there. It's super easy to chat with you on there, so make sure you tag me there. And if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification tab, so that you never miss a recipe, workout, nutrition tip, daily ramblings by yours truly. So with that, I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this 5 ingredient recipe, and like I said, let me know if you try it. All right, have a good rest of your day. Bye.